So, okay, guys, now we are at this point. This program now can open the Instagram page, go over the sunset hashtags, and then open one image and click for one like. But we want to click on multiple posts. So I'm gonna to insert these two lines inside a for cycle. I'm gonna to write for let's call next because the program has to click over the next button. For next in range of I don't know, let's do 5, okay, for 5 times. So now one moment, I'm gonna do okay. Now it's correct. So one moment, gonna to open Instagram. So sunset. So the program will just open the Chrome browser, go over the sunset page, and click on one element. So I guess that it was clicking on the first one. Anyway, the program in this line click over the image, and then with this line put a like. But we want, after that the program put a like, to click next to go over this new image. So I'm going to right click, inspect. I'm going to open this one more. Okay. So we can decide if the program has to go and search for the class or if the program has to search for the next button. So I guess that is better if the program will click over the next button. So here, so browser dot find element, damn it, find element by XPath. We're gonna to copy this line here, and okay, I'm sorry. So it's inside the div that is inside an A. I'm gonna to click to write div, and here I'm gonna to, oh, is the A2. Okay, A is the second A because as you can see here, the first A is the previous button and the next is the next button. So instead of login, we are going to click to write next and sleep for 1 sec. Let's try it. Okay, it goes over the Instagram page. It's logged in. Sunset. Like, and go over the next image and put another like for 5 times. But if you want to do this more, let's close this one. So we want to do it in the random way, more or less. So what we can do, so we want to open the image with this, then I'm gonna to for skip in range randint. Oh, I didn't. Sorry, we have to import from random, import randint. Okay. And here we want to skip from 2 to 5 posts. Okay, so let's do from 0. That maybe sometime it doesn't skip. So I'm gonna to copy this one here. So the program will open an image and will skip to the next image in a random number from 0 to 5. Oh no, I'm wrong. No, 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 no. So let's try, but it shouldn't work. So I mean, it will. Oh wait, yeah, I know. Anyway, so we want to skip few posts, then so with between one post and another, we want to sleep 1 sec. Then once, sorry, once that the program skipped a random number of image, it will click on like, and then I'm gonna to create somewhere, I don't know, maybe let's put it here, like equal 1, so like equals 0. Then we want to write down here like plus equal 1. That means that the number of like will increase by 1 every time that the program will do this. And then we can put all these. So I'm gonna to delete this one for, let's say, like to put in range of, I don't know, we want to put like 10 likes. Do that. Okay. And then every time that it put a like, I wanted to see, I wanted to read number of likes of post liked. Hmm, damn it, I can't write and here like. So let's see if it does work. Okay, it skips some posts and then put a like. Skip some posts. My computer. Okay, sorry. Skip some posts and then like. In fact, we can read here number of posts liked 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So, what we can do now? We can also follow people from this page. So as you can see here we have the follow button, and if we click on it, obviously we will follow this person. We can let the program decide if it has to follow or not. So maybe we can do it like in a random way. Let's see how we can do. So first thing first, inspect. I'm gonna to look for this OK button, follow, perfect. So probably we want to, I'm gonna to write it down here. Browser find element. So we want to find a div and then a button contains text follow. Okay, how we can put this one inside the inside our cycle? So here we have the next button. We want to follow a person just when we liked a post. So I'm gonna to sleep few seconds because Instagram will know if we are a bot, if we are using a bot or not. So just let me try once if it does follow the people. We don't need the two here. Yeah, of course. So it should put a like and then it should click follow. But what's the problem? I guess that is too quick, so I'm gonna to sleep for 1 sec. No, no, no. We have to close all this stuff. Okay. So let's see. Sunset. Mm, okay, hurt, and then it followed the people. Fantastic. So, okay, it works. I'm gonna to stop it. And I guess that for today is all. I'll see you in the next video if you want, guys. Bye bye.